This video is to prepare you for the lesson on algebra where we will be doing substitution. Okay, so you need to write some notes down in your book. We're doing substitution. In football, when you do a substitution, one player comes off and another player comes on. In maths, we're sort of thinking about numbers and letters. So for example, if a is equal to 3 and I have the expression a plus 5, we replace the a with the 3. So like football, the letter comes off and the number comes on. So a is equal to 3, so a plus 5 is equal to 3 plus 5, which is equal to 8. And I'd recommend you write out the expression, have an arrow underneath showing the substitution that you're doing, and then the working will be nice and clear. If, for example, we keep a is equal to 3, and we have our expression a minus 2, again I'm going to use my arrow and I can see that a is equal to 3, so therefore I'm going to replace a with 3, I'm substituting a for 3, so I have 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. If I change the value, so instead of a equaling 3, I'm going to let a equal 2 to show you that letters can have different numerical values. If I have the expression 4a, when we have a number and a letter next to each other in algebra, that means multiply, so we have 4 times a, and now we can substitute to show that a is equal to 2. So we have 4 times 2, which is equal to 8. We can also think about when we have two different letters. So we can have a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 4, for example. If I now have the expression a plus b, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 4, therefore a plus b is equal to 6. If I had the expression 3a minus b, I'm now going to have 3a is equal to 2, so it's 3 times 2 minus b, which is equal to 4. So I have 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. Finally, I could have 3 variables. I could have a is equal to 4, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 1. Now if I have the expression a plus b plus c, again I'm going to show my working clearly. I've got my arrows to show that a is substituted for 4, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 1. So a plus b plus c is equal to 4 plus 5 plus 1, which is equal to 10. If I keep the same values, a equals 4, b equals 5, and c is equal to 1. If I had the expression 4a minus b plus 2, slightly more complicated, and this way we have to show the working clearly. Now we would have 4 multiplied by 4 minus b, which is equal to 5, and c is equal to 1, so it's going to be 2 multiplied by 1, so I have 16 minus 5 plus 2. And when you do a question like this, it might be a good idea to put brackets around these, okay? So we know that we're going to be doing multiplication first. We do each term separately. 16 take away 5 is 11, plus 2 is 13. That's the end of the lesson. Make sure you go through the video, pausing it where you need to, and write these notes down carefully in your book, ready for the next lesson. Thank you.